Did you know that you can pay just by showing a QR code on your smartphone at 7-Eleven in Thailand? And you can use it from as little as 1 baht. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up and use TrueMoney Wallet in an easy-to-understand way. When you live in Thailand, loose change just keeps piling up, doesn't it? Many people find their wallets stuffed and heavy. Quite a nuisance. TrueMoney Wallet is exactly the solution to that problem. But are you worried, thinking TrueMoney sounds complicated, or can foreigners even set it up? Honestly, I thought the same thing at first, but when I tried it, it turned out to be surprisingly easy. Let's do it together. Here's a quick overview of what you can do with TrueMoney Wallet. You can link it to a credit card or bank account and use it for shopping, utility payments, and much more. And at 7-Eleven, you can pay by QR code for any amount. No minimum, no maximum. It's incredibly convenient. You only need 2 things to get started. Just your passport and your smartphone. You don't need a Thai bank account, so foreigners can register with complete peace of mind. When you first open the app, a language selection screen will appear. Make sure to select English here. If you continue in Thai, the later steps will be harder to follow. If you did proceed in Thai, you can change the language from the settings menu. There is one important point here. As shown on screen, there is SMS verification, so please turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data only. Any smartphone with a Thai SIM card will work. Enter your phone number and tap Next. Enter your phone number to begin registration. Enter the verification code sent to you by SMS. And your account creation is complete. Easier than you expected, right? After phone number verification, a guide screen for face scanning will appear. My screen is in Thai, but if you selected English at the start, yours will be in English. If you ended up in Thai like me, don't panic. Use an AI translation tool like Google Translate to translate Thai into your language, and you'll be just fine. Tap the orange button to proceed. Next, a screen asking for location access permission will appear. Tap Allow and move on. Next, a screen will appear asking whether you are Thai or a foreigner. For those of us who are foreigners, select Non-Thai Citizen. You will then proceed to the passport scanning screen. Several options will be listed. Foreigners must select Passport. After scanning your passport, it's time for face verification. As clearly stated in the official support documentation, there are several important points to note here. Make sure to remove your glasses, hat, and mask. It's also important to be in a well-lit area. Hold your smartphone at face height, keeping a distance that is neither too close nor too far. I wear glasses myself, so I removed them before facing the camera. Follow these tips and the verification will go smoothly. After face verification, an additional information entry screen will appear. First, enter your current address in Thailand. A hotel or condominium address is fine. Next, select your occupation from the dropdown. If you're retired, select Retired. Once you have entered your address and occupation, you'll proceed to the next screen. Here, you will select your approximate monthly income, income source, and intended use of the wallet. Choose the income range that most closely matches your situation. If you receive a pension, select Pension/Retirement Income as your income source. Next, select where you intend to use TrueMoney Wallet. If 7-Eleven is your main use, select Payment at 7-Eleven stores. If you have multiple uses, such as online shopping, go ahead and select all that apply. A password setup screen will then appear. Your password must be 8 to 16 characters and include lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers. Be sure to write it down or save it in a password manager app. For any parts of the Thai screen you don't understand, just use Google Translate or another AI translation tool, and you'll be fine. Once all information is entered, a registration completion screen will appear. You will receive the review result by SMS within 8 business hours. In other words, by the next business day. In my case, it arrived the following day. It will be processed within 3 business days at the latest, so just sit back and wait without worry. In my case, the SMS arrived the next day. Congrats, your TrueMoney account is approved. In other words, congratulations, your account has been approved. The SMS also includes a link with instructions on how to set up your PIN. Refer to it as you proceed to the next step. Once you receive the approval SMS, open the app and sign in with your password. The password is the one you set during registration, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After signing in, you will set up your PIN code. The PIN code is a 6-digit number that you enter when paying at stores, such as 7-Eleven. It is separate from your password, so please don't mix them up. I recommend writing down your PIN code so you don't forget it. Even if you do forget it, you can reset it using your passport number, so don't worry. Once your PIN code is set, TrueMoney Wallet is fully ready to use. Well done! It may have looked difficult at first, but wasn't it surprisingly straightforward once you got started? You can now pay by QR code at 7-Eleven from as little as 1 baht. To use TrueMoney Wallet, you need a balance. There are several ways to top up your balance. If you have a Thai bank account, tap the Top Up button on the app's home screen. On the actual screen, the orange Top Up button is easy to spot. Top Up means to add money, the same concept as charge in Japanese. Simply transfer from your banking app to TrueMoney Wallet, and it's charged in no time. Once you've topped up, it's time to use it at 7-Eleven. The payment method is very simple. Tap the Pay button at the top of the app's home screen. A QR code and barcode will appear. Simply show this QR code to the staff, and payment is done. In addition to your wallet balance, you can also choose to pay via a linked bank account or credit card. And since it works from 1 baht, you can use it even for small purchases without any hesitation. Using TrueMoney Wallet at 7-Eleven means no loose change. Truly smart shopping. So, how was that? Setting up TrueMoney Wallet may have looked daunting at first, but by following the steps in order, it's surprisingly easy, isn't it? Once it's set up, your everyday shopping in Chiang Mai becomes much smarter. Use it from 1 baht at 7-Eleven. No more worrying about loose change. Please make the most of TrueMoney Wallet to make your life in Chiang Mai more comfortable and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.